Hello and welcome to the second multi-evaluation method tutorial. In the last video we learned the basics of the multi-evaluation method, short MEV. In this we will recreate a method that first verifies a spectrum, and if the result is positive, the method will perform a quantification. Our example is a hand sanitizer according to WHO standard. We open the MEV setup, right-click on New, and then left-click on Add Quick Compare. We select our method via the Add Method button. Again, we could change the compound name for the report, but in this case it isn't necessary. In the next step, we right-click on the Quick Compare method and press Add Quant1 Analysis. As usual, we open our method via Add Methods. In this case, one component for the isopropyl alcohol fraction and one for the glycerol fraction. Confirm your selected methods via Apply. As announced, this time we will work with the underpart of the table at the right. A hand sanitizer, according to WHO standard, has defined concentrations. We can easily add warning and alarm limits or a target value via adding the values in the table. In the next step, we will do some calculations. In our sanitizer is only one-third component, water. Without another analysis, we can calculate its fraction via right-click at one of the components on the left and then press Add Calculated Component. First, we enter the name of the component and its unit. In the next step, we do the math. In the line Calculation, left-click on Set. In the new window, we have a lot of options. In our case, it's simple because the sum of all three components is 100%. So our calculation is 100 minus the glycerol fraction minus the isopropyl alcohol fraction. You too have the option to work with mathematical functions like square root or the logarithm, or with nameable input variables which you can enter before starting the MEV. Furthermore, you can name your formula. In this case, for example, water fraction. Furthermore, you can set limits for your output. For example, this can be used for percentage calculations. They are between 0 and 100. Then press OK. Again, we have the option to enter expected values and ranges. When you select a non-calculated component and press Set in the calculation line, in the upper part of the formula window, you too have the option to work with the presets bias and offset slope to correct a systematic fault. Close the window with OK and save your new MEV. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.